Ethan, your homework isn't finished. I'll finish it after we come back. Mom told us to finish it first. Don't worry. It will only take a few minutes later. Ethan, please don't throw the wrapper on the ground. It's just a small wrapper. It doesn't matter. I want to play first. I can't wait. Let's be patient and play nicely. I know, but I want to swing. Wow! This playground is awesome! It looks really fun! Can I play with your ball, please? No! It's my ball! Ethan, sharing makes playing more fun. Give me your car! I want it now! Ethan, that's not polite. Try saying, please, may I play with your car? Please, may I play with your car? Sure, let's play together. Thank you. Please, may I play with your dinosaur? Sure, here you go. Ethan, did you forget something? I forgot. Thank you for sharing your dinosaur. You're welcome. Let's play together. Great job, Ethan. Saying thank you makes people feel happy. Hey! You pushed me. I wanted the swing first. Ethan, that wasn't nice. We should never push anyone. But I wanted the swing first. Good manners mean waiting for your turn. Ethan, you should say sorry. It will make him feel better. No, I don't want to say sorry. Saying sorry is the right thing to do. Are you okay? Let me help you. Thank you, Emma. You're welcome. Ethan, that wasn't very kind. Remember our manners. Fine, I get it. I knew you would. You're a good boy. I'm going first. I don't want to wait. Hey! That's not fair. Ethan, everyone is waiting for their turn. The other children are waiting patiently for the slide, Ethan. Oh, right. It's polite to wait in line. Okay. Can I play with you? No, Ethan. You pushed us and you didn't wait your turn. I'm sorry. It's okay, Ethan. Ethan, good manners make people feel happy and safe. Is that why nobody wanted to play with me? Yes. Kind words and kind actions help us make good friends. That's okay, Ethan. We forgive you. Come on, let's all play together. Thank you. I'll be kind and wait for my turn. That's the Ethan I know. Let's play. Please, you can go first. Thank you, Ethan. Thank you for giving me another chance. See? Good manners make everyone happy. I learned that we should always keep our playground and streets clean. Excellent job, Ethan. I'm so proud of you. Throwing trash in the dustbin is a wonderful habit. You learned your lesson very well today. Emma, I learned so many good manners at the playground today. Now I'm going to finish my homework. Good job, Ethan. I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Emma. I'll always use good manners and finish my homework first. Good job, Ethan. I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Emma. Good manners and responsibility make you a wonderful boy.